Hello and welcome to our sports session for foundation phase age children. This afternoon we're going to show you a short session. We're going to do a quick little warm-up, then we're going to do an obstacle course that's going to involve different sports skills, but we're going to emphasise on going under and over different objects. We're also going to bring a competitive element into it by timing the children and getting them to try and improve on their times. So the first thing we're going to do is a warm-up. So Griff and Gwenty are ready. So we're going to start doing our warm-up, alright? So we're going to start by marching on the spot. Our arms are going to go back and forth like this. And then we're going to speed up and go into a bit of a jog. So we're going to stay on the spot. Well done. Arms going back and forth. And then we're going to count up to 5 and we're going to go really fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now we're going to go and we're going to do 5 jumps high up in the air. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now we're going to go like a really small ball. And after 3 we're going to jump up in the air as high as we can. 1, 2, 3, jump! Well done, and again. Into a little small ball. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Well done. Now we're going to shake our arms. And we're going to shake our legs. Keep shaking. Well done. Are we warm? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Fantastic, let's go. So I've taken some objects from around the house and built this obstacle course. You can do your obstacle course to involve any type of skills depending on what stuff you've got lying about the house. As I said, we're going to make an emphasis on going over and under. So I've set it up. Children, you ready?
Yeah.
Griff and Barrett? Off the tee. So we're going to start by going over. Then we're going to do some dribbling. So we're going to dribble in and out of the cones. Then we're going to kick the ball into the goal. Ready to cover it down here?
Yeah.
Then we're going to do some rolling. So we're going to go down as a log roll. We're going to roll in the yellow area, down. And then we're going to do some jumping. Well done, and then through the tunnel. Well done, Griff. Do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Get everyone in the roller. Come on, over down.
The dog,
Iawn. A wedyn jump off. If you've got smaller children, you might want to help them. So offer them a hand or a finger. Da iawn. Ti'n mynd trwy to now. Roll o to. Da iawn. A jump off. Well done. Griff, do you want to get a drink?
Yeah.
Kick a bit and go. Da iawn. Gawn ni ddyn nhw? Nawn, pata. Gwrs yma. Sorry, rownd row. A rownd row. Da iawn. A jump off. Da iawn. A trwy to now. Good girl. Da iawn. Fantastic. Okay, so once you've had a few practices going around and practicing your skills, to bring the competitive element into it, we're going to time the children going around. So I've got an iPad up here. So Griff will press the start button before he starts, and once he's gone around the obstacle course and got back to the finish, he's going to press it again so he's got a time. You can then keep going and trying to make it faster and faster as you go on. Lift the barrel. Okay, off you go. Well done. Kick up your minimat. And into the goal, good boy. Good, roll off. Doesn't any jump off. Jump, jump, jump through the tunnel. Good boy. A wedyn, gwasgu bwtwn. Well done. 36 seconds. Good boy, Griff. Da iawn. Okay, so now it's 20 sticks. Barod? Go, 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 go. Draws the plan. Good girl. Now kick up here. Kick up here. Yeah. Up here. Okay. 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 Good girl. Okay. Got a big color. And where you go? Good girl, Diane. Over down there. Quick, quick, quick. Arrow down. Diane, arrow up. Arrow up. Arrow up, good girl. And jump off. Arrow. Jump. 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 Two to now. Good girl. I got to stop. Good girl. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Excellent stuff. So what we can do now is keep going and we can try and get the times faster as we go along. Okay, excellent stuff. So if the weather's nice, make sure you take on plenty of water, and if you've got some shade, that would be ideal. So before we finish off, we're going to cool down. So that's all we're going to do. We're just going to walk around the garden and around the different obstacles. Can you do it? I'll just carry that around. This will help us get our heart rate down and back to normal. Fantastic. And you can also ask the children to help you clear up. So Blanc, can you take this off?
Yeah.
I'll do that. Okay. We're laughing at it. Chi'n deud ar y diwedd. Cerwch chi taglusan o da. And the children might actually have a lot of fun trying to tidy up.
And may I squash?
Good job. Harry.
Mommy, I want.
Good job.
Yeah. Honey.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for watching. Ta-da! Ta-ta!
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta!